The American robin minding his own business. And just flew away. Just taking a nice walk through here, as I normally do, almost every day. Walking the Sligo Creek Trail, although it's a bit cloudy here today. It's still nice out nonetheless. You can hear the sounds of the birds singing around you, and it is just amazing. Look at all that. I hope you guys are having a nice day wherever you live, and enjoy the blessings of the Lord. See, look at this. Nice trail, isn't it? A nice creek. This is Sligo Creek. Lovely. Oh, there's that big stone right here. Ooh. And there's that bridge over there. As you can see, I'm gonna just keep walking straight, and that's usually the path that I go to every time I come here. And as you walk through this path, you'll notice that there are just so many holes right on the ground. I noticed a woodpecker moments ago, but it just quickly flew away. So I'll see if I can spot any birds or squirrels or any other small animal around here. Let's see what they're up to. See, look at this. These are the holes that I just mentioned. These small little holes, and I don't really think they're ant holes. Ant holes usually aren't that big, so I'm not really sure what those are. They could be ant holes, but ant holes usually have dirt surrounding the hole outside of it that ants usually build for their colonies. But these type of holes have none of that. And some of these holes look much bigger than the others. I mean, look at that one. Huge. Oh, and this one's the biggest of them all, but it's a little messed up on the edges especially. Look at that. All across the trail, all across it. Okay, just have to zoom out. As you keep walking, you'll see more of that. Okay, there's none right now, but I'm sure you'll see more of that later. Let's keep going. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's a piece of an orange, I think. I think a squirrel took it and just put it right under the right under that tree. I think squirrels go under it to have their meals or their private doings or whatever. That's what I'm assuming. Oh, I think, oh, that's a clementine right there. That's a clementine. Neat, isn't it? And look at all these stumps. Look at all that. Almost look like something that a squirrel or a chipmunk or anything like that can just climb up to. Or if you're lucky, that any human can climb up. If you're into climbing trees, I don't recommend it though. That could be very risky. Look how tall that is. Alright, moving on. It's nice to breathe in fresh air. And it would have been better if there was like sunlight today, but the sun is behind the clouds. Oh, there are the holes again that I talked about earlier. There you see them. Oh, that's a crow I heard. It's very nice, isn't it? Just relax, lay back, just enjoy the view, enjoy the nature. Whew. Up, and there is another bridge. I see another bridge. Oh, there's somebody over there. Yep. Huh. All right. I guess I could just walk over the bridge. Why not? And there's the creek again. Right here. Oh, look at that huge log. Alright. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys are having a good day. And as always, stay blessed. And I'll see you all again by the grace of God at the end of the week. So I'm going to take off and just enjoy myself. So God bless. Maranatha. The Lord is coming.